Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Timeoff Own Access in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This intuitive tool allows employees to request and track their time off, including vacation, sick leave, and personal days with ease. They can submit requests, specify details, and monitor approval statuses, all while ensuring data security by restricting access to personal records only. Improve HR efficiency, enhance transparency, and simplify time off management. So, in settings, under user and company, in user, select a user. Under human resources, you will find the field named time off. Select administrator in that field. Now, we will go into the time off module. Under overview, you can see the time off for all employees. Anita, Oliver, Mark, Demo, and etc. employee. Now, you can also view this time off in the calendar view. Here you can see the calendar of the month and leave for all the employees. Now, if you want to create a new time off, here you can see on clicking on new, you can create a time off for any employee you want. Select the employee you want to create a time off for. Now, again, we will go into the settings, under user and companies, in user, select a user, again under human resources, in time off field, select user. Saving it, again we will hop onto the time off module. Now, under overview, you can only see your own time off. Here you can see, if I remove the filter of my team also, you can only see your own time off. In the calendar view also, you can see only your own time off. Now, if I try to create a new time off, you can see the employee field is not there anymore as you are the user. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.